if a bill is passed by the state legislative assembly, let's say एक स्टेट में स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली है, स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली ने बिल पास करके गवर्नर के पास भेजा, गवर्नर can reserve the bill for the president of India in two conditions. ये पता होना जरूरी है. In one condition, it is the duty of the governor to reserve a bill for the assent of the president of India. It is a duty of the governor to do so. When it is a duty, according to the constitution. Yes. Sorry? No. There is an explicit condition that has been mentioned in the constitution where it is the constitutional duty of the governor to reserve a bill for the assent of the president. What is that? Yes, when the bill derogates the powers of the High Court. जब वो बिल हाई कोर्ट की पावर्स को कम करता है in the opinion of the governor, then in that case he may reserve that bill for the assent of the president of India. But this is mandatory, this is obligation on part of the governor to do so. And then what he mentioned there, any other bill which the governor feels is going to affect federal functioning or is going to affect the powers of the union, right? If something like that is happening, then in that case the governor must reserve that bill. वो उसकी discretion पे है. That is upon his discretion, where he thinks that this bill is of certain national importance, or this bill is going to affect the federal functioning, or this bill is going to affect the union powers, or something like that. Fundamental rights are going to be endangered as a result of this particular bill coming into force. In this particular case, it is obligatory for him to do so. That is what you need to remember here.